Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we are going to solve this question which states that use Chebyshev formula of the third order to seek for the values of x for which the following function equals 0 given that the initial approximation x0 equals 2.5, f of x equals x in x minus 1.2. So solution. Now Chebyshev's formula is given by xn plus 1 equals xn minus f of xn over f prime xn minus f of xn squared over 2 f prime xn cube f f double prime xn. So this is the Chebyshev general formula where n equals 0, 1, 2 to infinity. So let's express the equation in terms of xn. Fxn equals x in x minus 1.2. So you add xn to it, then the derivative of this is what? Xn over xn. That is, we use product rule to do it, plus minus 0. So this becomes 1 plus xn. Then the second derivative is 0 plus what? 1 over xn. So now we'll start from the first iteration. N is equal to 0. This is my first iteration. So since we already have x0 equals 2.5, so we can easily find x1 from this, but we'll have to find all the functions of x0, which is x0, which is this one, in x0 minus 1.2. So which becomes 2.5 in 2.5 minus 1.2. So we have the idea. So anytime you say x0 here, you just substitute x0 directly. No need to even write it right. So 2.5 then 2.5 minus 1.2 is 1 point. Fx0 is what? 1.0907. 0907. And the next one, f prime x0 is what? Is 1 plus in what? 2.5. 1 plus in 2.5. 1.9163. Then the final one is 1 over 2.5, which is 0.4. So now we'll substitute in the equation of when n is equal to 0. So let's get the equation. X1 equals to x0 minus fx0 or f prime x0 minus fx0 squared over 2 fx0 cube f prime x0. So So substitute into it, we get 2.5 minus what was fx0? 1.0907 over 1.9163 minus 1.0907 squared over 2 times 1.9163 cube times 0.4707. Now let's put this in the calculator now. 1.0907 over 1.9163 minus 1.0907 squared over 2 times 1.9163 cube times 0.4. So it's 1.8970. 1.8970. So this is the value of my first iteration. Now we will do the second iteration where n equals 1. This is the second. So we will find now fx1. fx1 is what? Is 1.8970 in 1.8970 minus 1.2. So it's 1.8970 in 1.8970 minus 1.2. So it's 0.0145, or let's approximate to 46. 0.0146. Then f prime x1 equals what? 1 plus in 1.8970. So it's 1 plus in 1.8970 is equal to 1.6403. 1.6403. Then the final one, 1 over 1.8970 1.8970 0.5271. Now let's substitute this in the formula. So here is the formula. So let's substitute the value inside. The first one is 0.0146. But x1 is what? x1 is 1.89. This one is x1. x1 is 1.8970. 1.8970 minus, what's the fx1? 0.0146 over f prime is what? 1.6403. Then over what? That is 1.6403 cube times 0.5271. Now we put this in the calculator. 1.8970 minus 0.0146 over 1.6403 minus 0.0146 square over 2 times 2 times 1.6403 cube, then times 0.5271. So it's 1.888. 1.888 approximately 881. Approximate 2. So it becomes 1.888 what? 1. So x2 is this. Then now we'll do our third iteration. N is equal to 3 bar. No, n is equal to 2. Sorry, the last one was n is equal to 1. N equals to 1. So this one is n is equal to 2. This is our third iteration. Now in the same way, we will find fx2. fx2 is given by 1.8881 in 1.8881 minus 1.2. 1.8881 in 1.8881 minus 1.2. So this is 2.166 times 10 to the power minus 5. So the zeros, if it were to approximate to 4 decimal place, it will be 4 zeros. So this automatically is 0, approximately 0. 0.0000 because it's 5. So you are going 5 back 5 times. So if you bring 4 decimal, you know that approximately 0. Then f prime x2 equals what? 1 plus 1.888 1.8881 plus 1.8881. So it's 1.6356. Then the last one, 1 over 1.8881. 1.8881. 0.5296. 0.5296. Now we'll substitute these functions into the formula. So x to become x3 equals x2 minus f of x2 for f prime x2 minus f of x2 squared over 2 f prime x2 cube f prime prime x2. So substitute it. What x2 is what? It's 1.8881 minus what's f of x2 is 0 over f prime x2 is 1.6356. Then minus this f of x2 is always 0 square over 2 1.6356 cube times What's is 0.5296? 5296. So automatically this is zero. Everything here is zeros. So the answer gives us 1.8881 again. Hence, that means it's time to tell us since the iteration is repeating the same answer twice, we can terminate our iteration here. And this is going to tell us that this is the answer. Since x2 equals x3, the root of the equation, hence the root of the equation x equals 1.8881. This is the final answer. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email within the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.